Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechBit Unica, and today we're going to see how to change the table style in your Microsoft Excel on mobile version. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below we just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the table style in your Microsoft Excel mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first we're just going to insert a table here about 4x4. So just clicking on here, just going insert option and insert a table here. So I'm just going to zoom in here. So I just need to change the color of the table style here. So click on this table first anywhere on the table. Then you just need to click on this arrow section and just scroll down and to the bottom section, and you look and find an option called table style. Click on this. Here you can find a light, medium and also dark. So you can just select the theme so it look like the dark theme with a lot of colors you can find here. And if you just need to have a light theme, you can just choose this, which is so lighter. So only the top head will be header will be have some colors, and a medium which will be slightly colored with light colors like this if you just need it. So and also you can have a medium size different colors you can see, and also we have a lot of different colors like this. This is how you just change the table style or color of the table in your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechBit Unica. Have a wonderful day.